Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Following that, if you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-up. And then click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Now, before creating your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you wish to. When you finished, go back. Finally, to create your alarm, tap on this plus button at the bottom. Then set up an hour. Over here, by tapping on Ring once, you will have to turn on your alarm every time, and by selecting Custom, you can select days of the week in which it will ring. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. When you finished, tap on Alarm Name and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Now select Ringtone. Over here, you need to choose Allow in order to continue. And then pick the best option for you. If you wish for your alarm to change every time weather changes, tap on Weather Adaptive. In order to use your Spotify account, click on it over here and log in. You can also tap on this device and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the one that you wish to set up. Lastly, you can also just click on one of those system ringtones. I will go with Dreamy Jazz. Now click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Last but not least, tap on Snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also enable or disable it by hitting this switcher at the top. Go back and to save your alarm, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. To edit it, tap on it, make some changes and save them thanks to the same check mark. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it. Click on Delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!